Alright girl, new week, new ponytail. Let's get into it. Welcome back to my channel. New week, new ponytail. So today we're gonna be doing a new ponytail. I've already put my hair in a ponytail. Okay, so the only thing we have to do is our pre-wrap and put on our drawstring. Now today's drawstring is a ponytail that I have reviewed many times here on my channel. Okay, now you can find this online as well as the beauty supply store. Now this one reminds me so much of the Mimi ponytail, but she's a lot longer. This one's called Love Light, and I did pick this up locally. Okay, she was $9.99, and mostly in the beauty supply stores these days you can find it for like $9.99 to $12.99 in local beauty supply stores. And again, it is one of my absolute favorite ponytails. It is just so pretty and it's so glamorous. I love the length on it. Okay, she's long but not super long. So we're gonna go ahead and get a look at it. Then we're gonna do the pre-wrap because I don't have that done. As you see, this is just my hair. I just put it in a plait, and then I'm gonna ball it up to about right there. Put another tie around it. That's just kind of like where I like to keep my real hair, under my drawstrings. Now if it's like my bun, if you saw that last video that I posted, that bun video, I have to ball this hair up like super tight and wet it to get it small. Oh, but yeah girl, here is the ponytail. She's long and wavy, and I always like to get my ponytails in the color number 2. I feel like it matches my hair so much better. Ooh, see, this is her. She's long, she's pretty, and I love the body on this one. This one's just everything to me. Like I said, it's just one of my favorite drawstring ponytails to ever wear. She's just so cute, super duper cute. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the pre-wrap, which is the easiest thing. People think that it's so hard just to do this. Girl, it's not, and there's so many ways that you can do it. Like I said, I'm no guru at hairstyles and ponytails. I just, you know, do what works for me. Okay, I just figure out things until it just works. But yeah, this is the ponytail. Look at that though. Oh, she's just so soft and so pretty. So soft and so pretty. Alright, Kanekalon hair, we're going to keep this on deck. I told you, keep some of this on deck. It just works with any type of ponytail and bun style. Okay, it works, it works, it works. You know what, wait, this is that last bun style. Do we still have the hair? You know what, I'll leave that piece of hair. I'll leave that for that, because we'll keep using it. Let me just get another piece. We'll get another piece, girl. We'll get another piece. And I keep this in the color number 2 as well, so it always matches my ponytail styles. And if you're using anything other than a dark color, pick that color up in your Kanekalon hair, because you know they make this in all colors as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a little of this. We don't need a super lot for the pre-wrap. You don't need a lot. This is the amount we're going to use, but feel free to use whatever you want. But this is enough. Okay, there's so many different ways you can start this. You can just start it by wrapping it around and spraying it with your Got2b to freeze it in place, or put a dab of gel down to keep it in place. But since I got so much gel down at the base, I'm just sticking it into the wet gel that's there. And I'm just going to start wrapping it around. Start wrapping it around. Ew, I'm just dropping the hair everywhere. just wrap it around. You can do it as high as you want, as wide as you want. This is your ponytail. I'm just showing you what I do and giving you a feel as to how you do the pre-wrap. But get creative and do it to your liking. Just make sure I'm keeping it detangled. Okay. And I like to go up at least till I cover up my hair tie. Alright. Then if you got any lumps, you can go back down and cover those up. Keep it smooth so it looks really professional, like you went to the salon. Okay. Now that we're getting to the ends, we're going to pin it down. But you can cut it at any point if you're tired of wrapping it around. But you still have to pin it down. And I like to get it to the top here and then insert my pin. Alright, just like that. And now we have our pre-wrap, and I'm going to spray it with a little got-to-be blasting spray, and then blow dry it so it stays in place for an entire week, because I wear my ponytail styles 1 week at a time. This is how it's going to look once you're done. Now I'm just ready to ball up the length of my hair. Okay. Oh, some loose spray in here. Get it together, girl. Get it together. Ball it all up together. Alright, so you do whatever it is you need to do at this point to your hair. Okay? But this is what I do. Alright? For me, we are good. And this is where we go ahead and attach the ponytail. Now let me show you the cap construction on this one. Okay, this is a drawstring. This is what all drawstrings typically look like. You have a comb at the top, comb at the bottom, and the adjustable strap. I'm gonna open it up a little bit more. So you do what you have to do to make it work for you. Now see right here in this area, right here, see where my index finger is sitting? This is where I'm gonna push these combs. Right there. They're going in right there. Okay. Then I'm going to take the bottom comb, stick it at the bottom in the very same spot, but just in the back, if that makes sense. Just in the back. Stick it in there. I'm holding it in with my hand, both pieces. My thumb is on the back. My ring finger is on the front comb, pushing it in, while I'm adjusting the strap with my right hand. Okay, bam, and then it's in there. This is how it's gonna look. Look at that. That's how it's going to look after you have it closed. All right, see, our ponytail, our bun, our real hair is hidden inside the drawstring, and this is how it looks. She is beautiful. She is long. She is soft. She's gorgeous. I love this ponytail. It's just so dreamy looking. It just looks like a high genie ponytail. So cute. I love it. What do you think of this one? Like, this is one of my favorites. And then, okay, so now that we have it adjusted and on to our liking, go ahead and tighten it up wherever you want it. You can cut the string if you want to. I just don't do it. Sometimes I just tuck it back under the little cap. You can do that, or you just take a hairpin and just pin it down to where it's not being seen. Always just pin it up at the very back base of the ponytail. It's never seen. No one ever sees it. Bam. And there we go. She's cute. She's on. We are ready for the week. Now you can take this off nightly or you can sleep in it. I usually can get away with sleeping in it. I'm not a wild sleeper. I just put it on a flexi rod roller or either coil it up like this and put it under my bonnet or either my headscarf, and it just works. But nonetheless, this is it. What do you think? She is too cute. Let me show you the length. This is how long it is. She's cute. Again, this is Love Light by Sensational. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. I love this ponytail. She's super cute. Baba Boom hair. Cutie. She's a cutie. She's a cutie. I like it. But I will have an Amazon link down below should you not be able to find it. But usually Amazon keeps this one sometimes. But I don't know, girl. I like it. Let me know what you think of today's ponytail, girl. Did you like it? Did you learn something? Did you like my technique? Leave me a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.